All right, go back to our ad here, and I'm going to select page post. Actually, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to go back, and I'm going to hit the button again. So this page reloads again. Make sure it gets that latest post I just put in my page. Page post engagement. Let's select my page, drop your gear, and we'll take the latest post. You can actually create a new page post right here. I didn't even have to do it on my page. Cool. I totally forgot that was there. All right, continue. And so what I'll do here is I'll remove the right column newsfeed ads, or right column ads. These are the ads you see along the right hand side when you're logged into your account here. I don't see any. Oh, there they are. All these ads right here. They're traditionally not really that effective for Teespring ads, but I do have to be honest to say I've only tested like little bits on there. I just concentrate on newsfeed ads, the ones that pop up in the middle here. But by all means, if you have a super converting shirt, why not try it in the right hand side? But traditionally it doesn't work that well for t-shirts anyways, just because a t-shirt image, you can't really see it in there, right? So anyhow, let's get back to it. Some advanced. So with the advanced, what I want to do is I want to select our pixel that we created. Where is it now? There it is, drop gear. We'll get that one. Or if we hit verify, it'll be verified once we get a sale, so just leave it like that, that's fine. And now next what we want to do is we want to set up our targeting. Now we've already went through some of the targeting when we created the ads in the previous module for this particular design. I went through some of the targeting that we're going to do here, so I'm going to do one of those, and the targeting that I'm going to do is I'm going to do United States. Might as well put Canada in there as well. I went 18 to let's do 64. Now the reason why I'm going as low as 18, you're thinking, well, what if you're not a pilot when you're 18? Well, there may be a lot of people training to become a pilot. So pilot in training. That's why I actually put that in the post there. Are you a pilot or pilot in training? So kind of want to get everybody. Let's go into more demographics, and I want to go to work job titles, and let's type in pilot. And there's 3 that comes in. Let's go pilot again. Oops. Fighter pilot. Pilot in command. Another one we found was first officer, or first aeronautics. And those are the ones I talked about in that video. I might as well add more countries here. How about United Kingdom? Well, actually, maybe not. Let's just test those 2 for now. That's the cheapest shipping for the shirts, and I noticed that adding Canada added a few thousand more people, so that's cool. And so basically, all I want to do is men and women, and this is really highly targeted. We're talking only 28,000 people, but all these people have put in their Facebook profile that they're a pilot. So this is super, super targeted. So if this is going to sell, it should sell to this audience, and we'll know right away. So I'm going to go ahead and just create an ad set. For this would be, I'll just leave it like that. I'll do $25 per day. And I'll keep it at bid for page post engagement and run it continuously, and your bid will be optimized. So I leave it as optimized CPM, what's happening in the background. And that's basically it. That's all I would really do for my first campaign here. And let's go ahead and click place order. Continue. Now our first ad is created. Now, because I list a lot of ads on Facebook, my ad will most likely be live in like literally 5 minutes. And now we can see all of our stuff here. And here's a really good tip. Actually, no, it's not much of a tip with this one, but usually if this is a dark post, meaning we didn't actually make a post on our page, and we just made a dark post, I'll show you that in a different video. In here, you can actually click this and it shows you what your post looks like in your page. And if there's any comments, you can actually see the comments underneath. So I'm going to go ahead and like the page anyways. And what I like doing is inside my post on the page, I like getting things started in here, so I can even comment in here. Say, if you're a pilot, get yours here. Just use the same link again. Get the comments going. There we go. Cool, cool. And that's our first ad. It's really that simple.